Hello mga ka-pretty! Welcome to my mini vlog again. So isang advice lang ang maibibigay ko sa mga kababaihan ngayon. Especially doon sa mga taong nagsisettle for less. Yes sis, para sa'yo to. Normalize not reaching out to a man who doesn't reply to a text or return a call in hours or days. Kahit sa chat pa yan or sa messenger. He knows he haven't spoken to you and it's because he don't want to. If a man cares about you, he's going to communicate. If he's not doing these things, then he doesn't care about you. It's just that simple. As a woman, it's not your job to pursue a man. If he wants you, you will know. You deserve clarity, not confusion. If he wanted to keep you, he would move mountains. Kasi isipin nyo naman, maghapon niyang hawak yung cellphone na yan. At imposibleng hindi niya nababasa yung mga text or any messages mo sa kanya. Huwag kayang magsisettle sa ganitong klaseng lalaki. Huwag niyong hahayaan na bibigyan kayo ng stress at anxiety kakaisip ng kung ano na ba nangyari, ano bang ginawa mong kasalanan sa kanya, bakit hindi siya nag-reply. Yung mga ganyang klaseng lalaki, yan yung mga walang emotional intelligence. Kaya ako na nagsasabi sa'yo, run, takbo, red flag yan.